Hi guys, next we have to understand how to make a Struts application with validation. So we'll understand how to validate our form by using a Struts2. We can validate a form which can contain email, integer, range validation. I can say expression, some regular expressions, okay, some required field validations, required string validations, okay. We can set string length validations, all we can do that one. But this time we will do through the XML coding. In the previous example, we understood how to do with the Java coding, right? So this time we are going to the new project and we will use XML for validation. So consider, I just go to here, first of all, right click, a new dynamic web project. I'll give a name here, say struts2 with validation using XML code, okay? So this time we are going to use XML code for validation of form, and next, and I can say finish it. Now we'll see this one. We'll make a one package here, new package com dot example, okay? Finish it. So now I'll just copy the code which I did in the previous session here. I'll show you the difference. Copy here, I just paste it here, okay? So I copied the action class. Next I will copy the JSP page. So I just paste it here, and I need to copy this classes, right? So I say copy and paste it here in the web-inf, okay? Paste. Web.xml I can also copy here. Yes, okay. And the library means I am just copying the everything here, exactly same as per the previous one. Okay, so now we'll close this previous session project. Now this time XML coding, right? So you can see the index page here clearly. So I have a struts tag here, and I'm using s form. Action is my emp1 and method is post. I have a name and age, so two fields we have in my form. And you can see the struts tag here, struts XML. Here we are saying if action is emp1, go to my employee class and call the execute method, right? If it is success, come to this page. If it is input required, come back to the index page, right? Now this is my employee class here, where I'm using employee, right? And then I've used here validate method. So this time I will just say comment. I'm not using this validate method here, okay? So I commented this whole coding for validate. Last time we have used in Java code like this way. So this time we'll create XML file. So in my Pozo class, just having two property and get a setter only, right? And execute method. Okay. Now this is my struts is fine, index is okay, and this is my success page. Just a message imply I can write here imply name and age has been submitted successfully. Just I'm changing for sake of understanding only. In babe.xml, if you can see the same coding, validation using XML, okay, something like I have written here. Now Okay, so next what we have to do, we have to add one imply hyphen XML validation.xml file. It should be next to your class. So this is my package. Right click and then say here new file. I'll just say other and I'll select the file, normal XML file. Just go to your XML file. Okay, click next, give name here. So name should always like this. I mean, it should match with your first Pozo class. We can make different number of validation.xml file. So I have one imply Pozo class here, right? So I'm just saying imply hyphen validation.xml. Okay, next and finish it. Just finish it. I don't need that. So I just copy the validation code from here and I say paste. Copy this code, paste it. Okay, right. So we are writing here field name required string. So field validator is a type required string message. The name is required. So if someone doesn't enter the name, the message will come. If someone doesn't enter the age with this range, then this message will come, right? So we are setting validation in the XML file, right? And so we are ready to deploy this project now. So just click here, right? And then say run as. I just explain you more little about here. We are having several type, like you can say validation email, you can say validation regular expression, string length. Okay, required string I have used here, right? So you can pass like different kind of type here, like email type we are having. Okay, so you can try that one. Now let us deploy this project. Okay, so we'll right click, run as, run on server, then next and click finish. Okay, so it is coming. If I don't enter anything and I say submit, what you are finding? You are getting that the name is required. Age must be in between 30 and 70, right? Let us say I just enter here the name only, Tom. Okay, the name has come, but still the age is not there. So now if I enter 20, again there is a mistake, right? So I have to enter, let us say I enter 45 and I say submit. It has been done, right? So see how the easy we can validate, right? The form which we have created. So this is a imply validation.xml that you have to keep near to your class. Let us say you're having some different Pozo class, say customer. You want to invalidate or validate the customer form, so you have to write a customer hyphen validation.xml, right? So you can have a several validations file for that. So that's all about the validation using XML code in a Struts2 application.